Hey everyone, welcome to this new video. Today I will explain how to remove YouTube account from other device. So first open the Play Store, then click here the profile icon and open your Google account and scroll down and you will see option like security. So click here and scroll down and you will see option like your device. So click on it, manage all device. And you will see device like login your phone. I am one device so because my mobile is only login, no other device like login it. And you will show login device and click here and remove now like this. Click here and remove this device like sign out option here. So click here and successfully remove your device. So if you found this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.